Hi there from Bugeye Guys. Welcome to a tour of Floyd the Bugeye. This is Floyd complete with Frog. Floyd is a car that we've owned 3 different times, and each time we've owned it, it has gotten better. So if you like the work that we do and you want a car that's had a lot of attention and a lot of improvements, then this would be a really good one to consider. It's a little unconventional, lots of stripes and stickers, but it's also kind of consistent with all of these Bugeyes. They've been modified and each has a unique personality, and Floyd is no exception. This is a 948 powered car with all 4 drum brakes, 4-wheel drum brakes. A rib case transmission has been upgraded, and these leather seats were added somewhere in our stewardship along the way for one of the customers. I can't remember which one, but these are leather, black piping, red, deep red, beautiful seats. And then 3-point seat belts as well, and new premium door pockets and the correct type of door lining. So the car is upgraded in many ways. The windshield is good. It has a larger dash mirror. It has a bullet style ray dot mirror on the door post here. So lots of nice things, and then some other mechanical things. There are too many for me to remember. When Chuck had the car in January of 22 through April of 23, he put in an aluminum radiator, a 6-bladed upgraded fan, a new head gasket, a new slave cylinder, all new brakes, a new fuel tank, a new starter solenoid, and electronic ignition. And that right there is a great package of upgrades. So it's only roughly 2 or 3 years old. Then in 10 of 23, we put new carburetors on. Chuck did not, yes. So, okay, that was for the second owner. We put new carburetors on. We put a new header on at that time and a new muffler, new fuel lines, new oil pressure line, a new clutch, and a new throwout bearing and K&N lifetime air filters. And then in December of 24, we made the nose front flip. So you have a front flip kit, which is great for access. So we changed the steering rack boots and put on new tie rod ends and radius arms. So that's why the car performs well and is reliable in the way Floyd is reliable. So I'm going to stop this video right now, and so that you just have one talking video, and then you can have a driving video with less talk, and we'll go from there. But thank you for watching today from Bugeye Guys.